Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are learning how to change your PUBG character's face. If you are wondering how to give your character a fresh new look, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open PUBG application on your device and make sure you are inside the lobby screen. Now go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Inventory, and then from the Inventory option, select this face icon. Select this button at the bottom right. Now from here, you can go ahead and customize the face of your character. Choose your face you want to change to for your character. Once you do that, go ahead and click on this button over here, which will help you change your hair color and your hair style for your character. Select the hairstyle you want to change to for your character from the available menu. Once you select your character's hairstyle, you can then go ahead and choose your color from the left-hand side. Change the hair color according to your preference. And once done, the next thing to do is to select the outfit. As you progress throughout the game, you'll also be able to select more outfits and purchase outfits as well. But for now, go ahead and select any outfit you currently acquire. After making the selection, you can then get back to the home page and your character has been customized. Some face features are unlockable or purchasable, so you can also go explore the store in order to purchase new options. If you want to purchase new outfit for your character, go to the cart icon at the top right and then select outfit option. Choose the outfit from the menu. You can purchase outfits by spending the UC points or the G. Make sure you have enough in-game currencies in order to make a purchase. Go ahead and explore through the option and find the one that you can purchase and click the purchase button at the bottom left. So that is how you can easily customize your character in PUBG. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.